Hi, this is Paul on the Timber Walkers channel. Today I'm sharing a quick tip making a minor repair on my travel trailer, working on the drain valve for the freshwater tank. This of course is where you fill the freshwater tank, and this is the valve that is used to drain any excess water from the freshwater tank. And this is the second one that has worn out on me. You can see the little end of the turn handle there is starting to crack, so that's imminent failure, and just seems to get broken down by probably UV rays from the sun. So trying to come up with a more long-lasting solution, and what I came up with is this valve right here. And this particular valve I believe is designed for connecting the lines for a washing machine, and it's designed to be used with PEX piping. The pipe that comes out, or the tube that comes out to drain my fresh water tank, is actually a vinyl tube, but filled up the tank, tightened down the hose clamp pretty well, and I'm not seeing any leaks. So I'm hopeful that will work pretty well. The valve does have threads, so I was able to screw it into this piece of T111 siding that I cut to fit into this particular location, and then that gives me a nice secure mounting point, and then I will attach this board securely to the side of the camper with some good strong wood screws, and paint and caulk. And here's the finished product. I would freely admit that it's not cosmetically an ideal job here, but on my travel trailer, which is getting pretty close to 20 years old, it's the least of my cosmetic issues, and it's certainly, I think, going to be sturdy and long-lasting. If you have a newer RV, you may want to try a different approach, clean it up a little bit, make it look a little nicer. But hopefully the concept here, the idea, will, if you're having the same problem, which I suspect lots of folks do with those little plastic drain valves wearing out, this may be one approach that would give you a permanent solution. Alright, thanks for watching.